Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will be working on creating videos dynamically from an n8n workflow. The final output will look something like this. As you can see, all of these elements, the images on the right, the center image, and the text, are fully customizable, and we will be creating a template for this today. Let's get started. First, we will head over to Video API Hub. The interface looks like this, and once you sign in, you will see a few options. We will click on Try It Now Free to open the canvas, and then expand it into the full editor. For this demo, let's open an e-commerce template. This is the e-commerce demo we will be working with. We are going to modify a few things in this tutorial, starting with some of the text. If you notice, a few words are cut off at the very beginning of the video, right here where it says Shoppable Product Videos. Let's remove the word videos from that line. Next, I want to add an outro to this video and replace a few of these images. Let's quickly jump over to ChatGPT and ask it to give me some stock images for retail products and a main image for a retail website. Awesome, we have some URLs now. Let's pick one or two of these to replace the current images in our video. I will copy this first URL, go into my HTML code, and swap out one of the image links. Let's check the preview. Perfect, the headphone image has changed. Now let's grab the URL for the shoe and replace the next image link. As you can see, both images have now been updated. Finally, let's copy this third URL and replace the front image link as well. It looks great now. Right now, we don't have an outro for this video. I would like to add an outro that says something like Shop Now or specifies a sale deadline. So, I am going to copy this HTML code and head back to ChatGPT. I'll paste the entire JSON block and say, add an outro to this HTML video code. It should say, shop now at shopme.com and sale lasts until May 25th. Let's see what it generates. It is suggesting that we add a new div right before this section and append an element to our timeline. Let's just ask it to just give me the full working HTML to keep things simple. This template utilizes standard Hyperframe syntax to map everything together. It isn't strictly proprietary to Video API Hub, it is a very generic Hyperframe syntax from the GitHub repository, which runs GSAP in the background. Now that the code is ready, let's copy it, paste it back into the editor, and review the output. Everything looks good so far, trending reels, sales conversions, and let's check the end for the outro. Shop now at shopme.com, this is amazing. This HTML code is critical for the next step. While I will be adding a native save option inside the editor soon, for now, let's jump straight into our n8n workflow. We will build a new workflow from scratch. Let's add a new node and choose a manual trigger for our testing. Next, we will search for the Video API Hub node and select the first option, create a video from HTML composition. Now, let's copy our modified HTML code from the editor and paste it directly into this n8n HTML block. Everything looks correct, and we want to receive the output as a file. Let's execute this node. The node returns a task ID, which indicates that the video rendering is now processing. You can track this ongoing job directly from your Video API Hub dashboard. This is the job we just triggered. While it processes, how do we fetch the status of this task? Inside the same Video API Hub node, we can select the Get Result of a Job action. We will pass the task ID we just generated and set the output format to Same Auto so we receive it as a rendered video file. Let's run this node independently. It is still processing, which is completely expected for video rendering. Let's give it a moment to finish. In a production workflow, you would ideally want to handle this using a polling loop. I haven't set up a loop for this quick demonstration, but let's look at what happens once the job is complete. We want to automatically publish the finished video to YouTube. Let's add a YouTube node to the workflow and select the Upload a Video action. I already have my credentials configured for the Video API Hub channel. Let me quickly switch accounts to show you. As you can see, the last video was posted on May 10th, and we are going to publish our new video right below it today. For the upload configuration, let's set the title to e-commerce demo video using Video API Hub. We can skip the region field, or set it to United States if required. For the video input binary property, we will map it to the file variable from our previous step. Let's add a description. This is an e-commerce demo video created using Video API Hub. We can also add tags like video automation and n8n. Now let's rerun our polling node to check the status. Excellent, the file has been successfully generated, and we can see it marked as complete on the dashboard as well. We can download it directly from n8n or view it from the dashboard. Let's check the output in the browser. It looks incredible, the transitions are smooth, our replaced images loaded perfectly, and there is our custom outro at the end. The video renders perfectly, but it doesn't have any background audio yet. Let's fix that by adding an audio track directly within our n8n workflow. Before we do that, let's execute the YouTube upload node to post the silent version first. Make sure your binary property names match. We are using the default name, data, across both nodes. Let's execute the step. Looks like reauthorization is required. Let me quickly sign back into my Video API Hub Google account. Perfect, the connection is successful. Let's execute the upload step again. It is executing now. Great, we have an upload ID back, which means the video has been sent to YouTube. If we refresh our YouTube Studio dashboard, we can see the video is currently processing. Now, let's see how we can add an audio track to our video dynamically. I will add another Video API Hub node to the canvas and select the Add or Remove Audio to a Video action. For the video source, we will pass the URL of the video file we just generated. For the audio file, I have already uploaded a collection of background tracks to my Media Manager. Let's open this one up to preview it. This track sounds perfect. I will copy its asset URL, paste it into the audio file parameter in n8n, and ensure Replace Original Audio is enabled. Let's run this node. We received a new task ID, meaning the audio mixing job has been submitted. Let's check the dashboard. The Add Audio Track job is already complete. Now, let's fetch the final file by adding one last Video API Hub node configured with getResult of a job, passing our latest task ID. Awesome, our final video file is ready. Let's open it up to confirm that the audio track mixed successfully. It's loading, and perfect. We have background music running seamlessly with the video layout. The entire process was automated entirely within n8n. Now we can map this final output file to our YouTube upload node. Let's update the metadata, change the video category to Science and Technology, and add an extra tag for Video API Hub. Let's execute the upload step one last time. The node is running, and we have our successful upload ID back. If we refresh our YouTube channel, the second video is now processing, which will be the version that includes our background audio. Let's review the first video we uploaded. The layout is flawless, and the assets look incredibly sharp. If we check the video details, you can see all of our automated tags have been populated correctly. Now let's check the second upload on YouTube, and there it is, complete with the mixed audio track. With this setup, you can easily trigger this entire workflow dynamically using a data source like Google Sheets. By passing different variables into the HTML template, you can generate entirely unique, customized videos in parallel. In my next video, I will show you how to build out that full-fledged automation, including advanced polling structures. Before we wrap up, let me show you an example of a live production workflow where I have already fully automated one of my active YouTube channels. This workflow is completely live, and looking at the execution history, it has been running reliably in the background for quite some time. It takes an input JSON payload, compiles the video template, polls the job status until it succeeds. Thank you for watching and visit videoapihub.com today to start creating your automated videos.